part where I first introduced them to each other. Here they go. Oh no, they don't like each other yet. Okay, that's enough for today. Over the course of the next few days, I let them have more supervised interactions with each other. I even tried to reinforce positive feelings by getting them to play with each other, but that wasn't successful. But luckily, Storm stayed curious. So I kept trying. But no. At least, not yet. But then, they started interacting more confidently. And soon enough, they started playing together. And not best friends yet, but they're definitely having a lot of fun together.